Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video, we are going to solve LRDI set based on line graph. Before I begin, I would like to thank all the people who have joined us, and our Facebook group link is there in the description below. Now let's roll in for the video. So the question says that Preetham usually spends money on restaurants, fuel, groceries, movie and mobile data during a period of 20 days. From day 1 through day 20, Preetham spent exactly rupees 200 per day on restaurants on exactly 2 days out of every 4 days. That is, for any period of 4 consecutive days, there were exactly 2 days when he spent on restaurants. He spent exactly rupees 200 per day on fuel on exactly 1 day out of every 3 days. He spent exactly rupees 50 per day on groceries on exactly 2 days out of every 3 days. He spent exactly rupees 250 per day on movies on exactly 1 day out of every 4 days. And he spent exactly rupees 50 per day on mobile data on exactly 3 days out of every 5 days. He did not spend any more money on any other days or on any other items except those mentioned above. The graph below provides the amount spent by Preetham during this period. So first of all, let us write what are the possible what are the amounts which he has to pay. 200 two times, 250 and rupees 50. Okay. Now let's see what exactly amount has been paid on each particular day. So on day 1 is 300, day 2 it is 400. Okay. So day 2 you can see that it is 400. Now 400 can only be obtained by using 2 times 200. Okay, so 2 times 200, that means 200 rupees spent on restaurants and 200 rupees spent on fuel. Okay, so for 400 rupees, that is the only combination. So that means for day 2 it will be fuel and restaurants. Okay, and none of the others, because exactly 400 has been spent and 400 has been covered by fuel and restaurants. So for every place where 400 is there, we can fill in this data. Okay, that is for day 5 also we can fill, and for day 17 also we can fill the same data. So day 5 and day 5, day 17. Okay, so day 17 is also done. Others will not be spent on that particular day. Okay. Acha, now if you see, for fuel we have been told that exactly 1 day out of every 3 days. So exactly 1 day out of every 3 days, that is in day 1, 2 and 3, it will be spent on day 2. Similarly, day 4, 5 and 6 it is spent on day 5, and using the similar pattern it will be on spent on day 8, day 11, day 14, day 17 you can see, and then day 20. You can check it also. Why is it going to be this? See, let's say, see, 2 so we were clear, 2 and 5. Let's talk about how did it come to 8. See, if you talk about 3, 4, 5, it came to 5. If you talk about 4, 5, 6, it came to 5. If you talk about 5, 6, 7, see, because of 4, 5, 6, it has come on 5, it cannot come on 6. Okay, and from 5, 6, 7, it cannot come on 6, it has come on 5, so it cannot come on 7. So talking about 6, 7 and 8, let's remove this one. Talking about 6, 7 and 8, we know that money cannot be spent on fuel on day 6 and day 7. So definitely it has to be spent on day 8, because once in every 3 days money has been spent on fuel. So similar pattern will be followed throughout the 20 days. So what we can say is that money on fuel has been spent on day 2, day 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 and 20, and on rest of the days money hasn't been spent on fuel. Okay, so we can put a cross over every other place. Now come to restaurants. So for restaurants, what we have been told is that it will be 2 in 4 days. Okay, 2 in 4 days. Acha. So 2 in 4 days we can obtain by two ways. First is alternate. Okay, first is alternate. The second one is going to be consecutive. Okay, so if we talk about alternate, so if 2 has been done, so there it will be on 4. But if you see day 2, 4 and 5, 2, 3, 4 and 5, it's a span of 4 days. In this span of 4 days, you can see that it has come on day 2, 4 and 5. That means on 3 days. But we know that it has to come only on 2 days. So that means this case is not a possible one, because 2 and 5 are definitely fixed. Okay, so alternate is not possible. Talking about consecutive, there can be two cases. It can be 1 and 2, it can be 2 and 3. So talking about 2 and 3, again 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 days. In 4 days it has come on 3 times. So this case is also not a possible case. So definitely the case which is going to be followed is day 1 and day 2. That means on 3 and 4 it won't be there, and definitely after that the same pattern will follow. That means it will be 5 and 6 it will be a yes, and 7 and 8 it will be a no. Similarly 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, sorry, 8, 9, 9 and 10, 11, 12 is a cross, 13, 14 is a yes, 15, 16 no, 17, 18 yes, 18 and 19 it is a no. Okay, now move ahead. Let us move ahead. So next term, let's see what we can do. Let's see what else do we have from here, from what amount has been spent. Okay, see on day 8 you can see that rupees 500 has been spent. The highest amount has been spent on day 8. And also we are sure about one thing on day 8, that there is no restaurant and there is a fuel. So out of 500 rupees, 200 rupees has been spent on fuel. So that means remaining is 300, and out of this 300, the 200 of restaurant cannot be a possible case. So what are we left with? We are left with 50, 50 and 250. So using these three, using 2, 3, whatever is there, we have to form 300. So 300 can only be formed by using 250 and one of 50s. Okay. But see, as you can see that 250 definitely we have to use, and 250 stands for movie. So what we can say is that on day 8, movie is definitely being shown. Okay. Acha, now read what has been said about movies. For movies, it has been said that it is 1 in 4 days. So if it is 1 in 4 days, the pattern it is going to follow is 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Okay, this is the pattern it will follow. Let's see the reason behind that. See, if you talk about 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, so we have one on 8, so 7, 6 and 7 cannot be there. If you talk about 4, 5, 6 and 7, we know that 5, 6 and 7 cannot be there. So definitely it has to be 4. And the similar pattern will be followed up till day 20. Okay. So others we can put a cross, and because we have already put the tick part, so others we can put all in cross. Okay. So we have we have the days on which money was spent on movies. Okay. Let's move towards groceries and mobile. Okay. For groceries and mobile. Okay. Uh, okay. Acha, see one thing. One thing is there on day 20, if you see, rupees 450 has been spent. Okay, 450 rupees has been spent, and out of that 450, one is for fuel, that is 200, whereas the other one is for movies, 250. Sorry, this one is, the upper one is 200. So 200 and 250. So rupees 450 has been formed with the help of movie and fuel. That means there is going to be no grocery and there is going to be no mobile on day 20. Acha, one thing we also know is that read about groceries, that for groceries it has been given just hold, he spent exactly rupees 50 per day on groceries on exactly 2 days out of every 3 days. So 2 days out of 3 days. Now if you check the last 3 days, 18, 19 and 20, we can see that on 20 definitely there is no grocery. So that means grocery has to come on day 18 and day 19. Similarly for day 17, you know there is no grocery. So grocery is going to come for day 15 and 16. So it will follow a similar pattern. It will be a cross, then 2 ticks, cross, then 2 ticks. It will be a cross, then 2 ticks, cross, 2 ticks. Okay. And on the first day also it will be a tick, because for 3 days it has to be there on 2 days. Okay. So we have everything for groceries. Now using the table, using the amount of money spent per day, and because we have the data for 4 of them, we can easily find out the data for mobiles. So what we can say is, I'm going to directly put a tick mark over there. You can calculate it for yourselves. So for it will be on day 1, it will be on day 3 and it will be on day 4. Then it won't be on day 5. It will be on day 6, won't be on day 7. It will be on day 8 and day 9, and it won't be on day 10. Okay. After that, coming to 11, on 11 it will be there, 12 it won't be there, 13 and 14 it will be there, 15 it won't be there, 16 it will be there, 17 it won't be there, 18 and 19 it will be there. Okay, so now we have the data for each and everything. Now we can move towards a question and try to answer them. So on which of the following days did Preetham not spend on groceries? 1, 2, 10 and 18. So on day 1 we can see he did spend, 2 he did not spend. So we have our answer, that is answer is day 2. You can check for day 10 and 18 also. So day 10 you can see it is a tick mark, and day 18 also you can see it is a tick mark. Okay. So we have our answer as option number B. On how many days during the given period did Preetham spend both on mobile data and restaurants? Okay, so mobile data and restaurant, it is going to be day 1. Okay, it is going to be day 1. It is going to be day 6. It is going to be day 9. Then it is going to be day 13. It is going to be day 14, and it is going to be day 18. So how many days did he spend on both mobile data and restaurants? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 days. So let's check the options. So option number B is the correct option, that is 6 times, 6 days. Okay. Come to the third question. So the third question says that on how many days during the given period did Preetham spend on fuel but not on groceries? So spent on fuel but not on groceries. So spent on fuel is day 2. He did not spend on groceries, so that is 1 day. 1 day. Okay, day 2. Then he spent on day 5. Okay, that's day 5. One more day. Similarly, on day 8 he did not spend, so 8 also we will count. On 11 he spent 11, he did not spend here, so day 11 also we will count. 14 you can see. Okay, then you can also see for 17, 17 is also there, and after that it is going to be day 20. Okay, so these are the days on which he spent on fuel but did not spend on groceries. Let's count the number of days. So 3, 3, 6, 1, 7. So the correct option is going to be option number A, that is, see, this one will be B, this one will be B, and this one will be A. So with this, a set is complete. I hope you have understood the set well, guys. Thanks for watching the video.